Okay, hello, good morning. Okay, today in this video I am going to explain you about importance of insurance to nation. So how insurance can help the nations. So the importance of insurance to nations we can explain in point way. So here are some points I have written here. So they are like this: protect wealth, reduce inflationary pressure on foreign currency, create employment opportunity, and help in economic growth. Okay, now number 1 point, protect wealth. Now it is said that the wealth of the nations, especially the property of the nations, like building of school, colleges, different offices, there may be some vehicles which are run by government side or government owned vehicles, or there may be a government industry and factory. So many other property which are owned by the governments. So what means, if such property also are done insurance, then what means, when such property gets damaged due to some incidents that may be caused by earthquake, fire, or many other natural calamities or different other incidents. So in that cases, what means, the insurance company will indemnify the losses, or insurance company will bear the losses. So in that sense, what means, insurance company also supports for the protection of government wealth, or it protects the wealth of governments. Now reduce inflationary pressures. Now instead that inflations, you all know very well, I think we have learned inflation in economics also. Inflation is a such a condition where what means, value of money gets decreased. Value of money gets what? Decrease. Usually what means, when there is a rise in general price levels, when the price of goods gets high, so such situation is called inflations, and such situation is very dangerous for the nations, and such situation is also very uncomfortable for the purchaser also, even the consumer also. So in such a situation, when there comes inflation in the nations, in such a situations, insurance company also can play important role to reduce that inflation pressures. So how the insurance company reduce that inflation pressures means, insurance company also can take out some cash, can take out some money, and can provide that money to the nations, and inflation of the nations can be what? Reduce, because at present a lot of insurance company are there, and insurance company has a lot of capital with them, a lot of money with them. So that money they can hand over to the governments to reduce the inflation pressures. Now next, on foreign currency. Now it is said that there are many insurance companies, they are not only working in one nations, they also working in other nations also. So when they are working in other nations, over there they own currency, or over there they own foreign currency also. That currency they send to their own nations. Since that what means, insurance company also helps in owning foreign currency. Now it creates employment opportunities. Now it said that insurance company, directly or indirectly, it creates a lot of employment opportunities. Like insurance company itself in own office, it did a lot of technical manpowers, it did a lot of manpowers, lot of officers. So insurance company itself inside its own office, it gives it has a lot of jobs to the many people. So in inside own office, it gives a lot of employment opportunity. Plus indirectly also, means indirectly how means, insurance company also provides a lot of money, or it also forms capital, and that capital can be utilized by other person as a business to run industry, and over there also such business also, in such industry also advance, a lot of people they can get jobs. So he said that insurance company directly in its own office also, plus indirectly by providing capital to other investors, over there also advance, it can create what? A lot of job opportunity for the public. So that's why it said that insurance company plays important role to create employment opportunities. Now next, helps economic growth. Now it is said that insurance company also plays very important role, a very crucial role for the economic growth of the nations. How? At present, a lot of insurance company, they provide money to the bank, and bank provide that money to the investors. At present, a lot of bank they uses the money of this insurance company, and that money again bank will provide loan to the needy people who want to establish new business, new trade, new industry. So when that money of the insurance company goes to the loanee with the help of bank, then what happens? That money is utilized by the investors, and investors that money they will use for the economic growth of nations. To do this, it also creates economic growth, and in some cases, insurance company also by their own office also advance. Sometimes they also provide loan to the needy peoples. They also from their own office they also provide some loan to the peoples, and that peoples again they invest their money in some productive sectors, and from that they can earn a lot of money. Due to which advance it says that insurance company also plays crucial role for the economic growth of the nation. So today in this video I have explained you the importance of insurance to the nations. Okay, thank you all of you.